Hi, I'm BJ, furniture painter and owner of Junked Up. I am a DIY paint retailer inside Logan Village Mall in downtown Noblesville, Indiana, but I currently live in Copenhagen, Denmark. It is slightly chilly here in Copenhagen today, but we're gonna head over to the neighborhood of Nørrebro to check out a thrift store and hopefully find something to paint. And we're gonna hop on our bikes, just like the Danes do. I begin my project with a base coat of DIY paint and skeleton key. After letting my base coat dry, I am applying a second coat of skeleton key. This is a rubber brayer that I found in an art supply store in Copenhagen. We're going to use it with some gravel road to create some texture. Started by applying the paint vertically, but decided that I liked the texture that it gave me better when I applied the paint horizontally with the brayer. You'll notice that when I'm applying the gravel road with the rubber brayer, I'm doing it while the skeleton key is still wet. That allows me to mix the colors together, blend the colors together, but still keeping a layered look and create some texture as that clay in the paint begins to dry. Now we're going to use weathered wood to dry brush over all of that yummy texture. This is a great alternative when you don't have dark wax or black wax on hand. You can use paint to highlight all of the texture that you've created. The key to a good dry brush is to have very, very little paint on your brush. I like to use a kind of swirling motion when I do it so that I don't wind up with stripes or streaks, and this gives me a little bit more of a natural look. I wanted to add a little bit of distressing on the highlights, and I chose to do this with a tool called a cabinet scraper. To finish off my project, I'm using my Debi's Design Diary DIY paint wax brush and some clear wax. And now the mirror hangs proudly in the entryway of our apartment in Copenhagen. Thanks so much for watching, you guys, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for the DIY-aGoGo channel so you don't miss anything. And if you're so inclined, please pop on over to my channel and hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications for that one too. And as they say in Denmark, tak! Thanks, bye!